Enabling an order confirmation campaign has 3 steps. Step number 1, to select the right template, go to templates, click on the right template to be selected, use this template. What you see right now is the transaction template format here. On the left side here, the body text will have details that your customer would be seeing after they place the order. On the right side here, you have examples of body values here. And what you do here is on the variables, just to show you how it works, on the other side where the customer gets it, type in. So what you see in the body examples value here is I've just typed in a couple of details here so that Facebook will be able to understand what be the text that will exactly go into your content when you send it to the customer. This is very important. So, and the order ID I've just mentioned like variable 1, which is the order number, and then items as example bags and shirts. You can mention your own products there, and order value, the bill value here, shipping address, and the address here. Now you'll have to just select the required button here. If you want to add one more button, you can by just click on add button here. And for our purpose here, we just keep it as simple as view order here and submit template. You're good to go. Step number 2 is after you have submitted the template, you just need to come to activate templates here to check the status of your template that has been submitted to Facebook. Now you'll see something called approved here. Once you see as approved here, you'll have to go to step number 3. Now step number 3 is to go and enable the form. Click on integrations, go to Shopify if you have a Shopify website, or go to eCommerce if you have a website. For time being, we'll see, click on Shopify. Click on Shopify here, go to order created, and what you need to do is enable this button here so that you'll get the template delivered here. So just click on the right template, select the template, and what you do is select the right variable here. For order ID, you will have variable 1 here which says order ID by default, which is captured from your Shopify website. Just select the right variables to the content mentioned on your message and click the save button to confirm and action your form. Now your order confirmation status is ready to go to customers.